Happy morning, boys and girls. Last day's question. Did you solve the questions? The first question, which is called boss of the cell, nucleus. Okay, and next, mitochondria, how many times smaller than the nucleus? 150 times. Which is called suicidal bags of the cell, lysosomes. Very good. Which are called, which cell organelle? Called protein factories of the cell, ribosomes. What is the difference between the SER and RER? Rough endoplasmic reticulum, the endoplasmic reticulum with ribosomes called RER, endoplasmic reticulum without ribosomes called SER. And now, Camillo Golgi, who discovered Golgi complex, and which year Camillo Golgi discovered? Very good, Golgi complex in 1898. Next, which are small in size in animal cell, which are large in cell, large in size in the plant cell, that is vacuoles. And now, what is the main function of the SER? Okay, detoxifying. Next, which is called, which cell organ called powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. Okay, and the projections in the mitochondria are called cristae. Number of mitochondria 100 to 150. What I said in the last class, I said to you, I will show how to draw the mitochondria in easy way, and I will show. Just you be with a pencil and notebook. What if you take eraser first? What does it mean? That means you already committed, I will commit some mistakes. You don't take the eraser first. Who will take pencil first, they are ready to draw the picture maximum perfect. Okay, just to follow me. Now we are drawing mitochondria, no? First step, second step, third step, fourth step, okay, outer membrane, inner membrane, matrix, and DNA, these under cristae. This is mitochondria. Okay, step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4. I will show how to draw the cristae. But one thing, see, when you have the pencil, just you don't draw the diagram like this. Don't draw like that. Just you keep the pencil and make one line total at a time itself. Okay, if any mistake, we'll say afterwards. First you make the line. Cristae, I will show to you how to draw the cristae in easy way. You should learn M and W. Do you know M and W? In alphabet you have that M and W. Just to learn that. See, I will show, just wait. Cristae, M and W, no? What is that? M. W. Okay, up to here it's like W, M and W. Just you practice this. Don't make these corners very sharp. Now the next question, differences between the eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell with nucleus, that means genetical material presented in the nuclear membrane, but in the prokaryotic cell the nuclear membrane is absent. Eukaryotic cell, one example we can take our animal, higher animal, and the prokaryotic one example virus or bacteria. Okay, and this about the mitochondria, ICT, how to learn, and eukaryotic and prokaryotic 1 to enough. Next question about the differences between the plant cell and animal cell. Along with that we have total lesson revision. Okay, come to the revision for this lesson. Cell structure and function. What is cell? Cell is a basic unit of the life. A group of cells forms tissue, group of tissue forms organ, group of organs forms organ system, group of organ systems forms our body. Right, now we will see one question. No, plant cell, difference between the plant cell and animal cell. Write the points now. One side plant cell and one side animal cell. I will show the pictures, just you write the points. Plant cell, cell wall is present. Animal cell, cell wall is absent. First point. Second point, plastids are present in plant cell, plastids are absent in animal cell. Third point, centrosome is present in animal cell, plant cell centrosome is absent. Fourth point, vacuoles are big in size in plant cell, vacuoles are very small in size. Vacuoles are big in size in the plant cell, vacuoles are very small in size in animal cell. This is about the plant cell and this is about the animal cell. Centrosomes. What is the use of centrosomes? Centrosomes are useful in the cell division. It doesn't mean that the cell division will not take place here. Cell division takes place in the plant cell also, but no centrosomes. Instead of centrosomes, they have some more structures to. They have another structure for the cell division in plant cell. In animal cell, they have centrosome. Okay, this is about the plant cell. Plant cells have mitochondria and remaining everything is okay. Now you see here, you have a, can see a special structures here. These are called plasmodesmata. Okay, membrane is very thin layer. No, now materials will transport one cell to another cell through the membrane. Okay, but in the plant cell they have a thick cell wall. In the last, the plant always absorbs the water. No, when it absorbs more amount of water, the cell will bulge, afterwards it may blast. To protect from that, they have a rigid protection that is called cell wall. Cell wall is made up of mainly with the cellulose. Okay, and this cell wall is useful to hold the branches. They have branches, very long branches. No, do we have any branch? Animals, yes, of course we also have some branches. For example, you see this part. Just imagine the body without a head, without a hand, without legs. This part is this is our trunk, thoracic part. This is called thoracic part, trunk. For this one you have branches, for this one you have branch, for this one we have branch. This is the main part. Of course we also have branches, but we are not holding like the plant, no, right? And second, we are not standing in the sunlight for a long time like a plant. And third, we are not observing more water, a continuous water. They will observe water continuously for photosynthesis, but we are not observing like that, no? Yes, right? And one more thing, they can stand in the sunlight for a long time. I mean, yeah, of course the plants are staying in the sunlight from the birth to last death. Why? Because they will not affect by the sunlight. Why? Because they have a chemical that is called synapate. Synapate helps. If we stand in the sunlight, our skin may tan, and there is chance we may get some damage in the body. It's the sunlight affects on our skin, but here no chance. Plant never affect by the sunlight, no bad effects. Why? Because they have a chemical synapate and they have a cell wall. This is about the plant cell and animal cell. Now come to the revision. Nucleus, boss of the cell. we can get the nucleus. Inside the nucleus you can see a chromatin web. We can observe the nucleus by the methylene blue. Collect the cells from the cheek, one. And the second, mitochondria. Mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell. We can get the mitochondria. We can observe the mitochondria by using Janus Green B solution. If you want to see the total structure of the mitochondria, we can see in the electronic microscope. Not only mitochondria, every cell organelle. Okay, what is cell organelle? Membrane bounded structures which are present inside the cell or in the cytoplasm are called cell organelles. What is cytoplasm? The fluid which is present in the cell, cytoplasm. What is protoplasm? Protoplasm, first scientists believe like this. What is that? Nucleus will give birth to the new cells. So they kept the word is like a protoplasm, life fluid. Afterwards they discovered nucleus and they said nucleus. Inside the nucleus the fluid is called nucleoplasm. Outside the nucleus is called cytoplasm. Ribosomes prepare the proteins or synthesize the proteins, so it's called protein factories of the cell. Lysosomes will blast itself and protect the cell, so it's called suicidal bags of the cell. Golgi complex, after the preparation of proteins and lipids, this total will enter to the Golgi complex and it will have some alternation in that, and afterwards it will send to the remaining cell organelles. Okay, this Golgi complex discovered by Camillo Golgi. Next, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum surround the nucleus. You can see this endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum main function, one function is transporting the material one cell organelle to another cell organelle. And the next, in endoplasmic reticulum we have two. One is RER and second one is SER. RER, endoplasmic reticulum, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum. That means endoplasmic reticulum with ribosomes. The function, preparation of proteins. SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, have no ribosomes. Okay, it prepares the proteins and fats. In the vertebrate liver, it helps in the detoxifying. Very good. Now come to the plastids. Plastids are three. One is a chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast. Chloroplast, green color. Chromo, different colors. Leuco, white. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are small in size in the animal cell, big in size in the plant cell. Vacuole have a fluid, it's called vacuolar sap. Okay, like that. If you learn every cell organelle, then you can make the lesson is very easy. Are cells flat? No. By changing the focus of the slide, we can come to know that they have the 3D picture. Who said new cells are arise from the pre-existing cell? Rabi is one of the person proposed the cell theory. Who proposed cell theory first? Sladen and Schwann. Robert Hooke in 1665 discovered cell in the oak tree or in the bark of the oak tree. In 1831, nucleus as Robert Brown. Very good. Inside the nucleus you can see chromatin web. Inside that you can see dot nucleolus. Okay, how can you separate the cell membrane and cell membrane and cell wall? Take the onion peel and soak in the salt water for some time. Then we can separate and we can observe there which color we should use. Safranin. Okay, this is a revision for this first lesson. We'll meet in the next lesson. We'll meet in the next class with the next lesson. Girls and boys, just you spend some time and read the syllabus, because you see day by day the syllabus is moving very good. But if you move along with us, along with the syllabus, then you can make the syllabus very easy. You should learn day by day. Don't irritate your parents. Use the mobile phone or system or laptop what you are using now. Use only for the educational purpose. Listen the school education videos. Okay, if you want to search anything related to education, it's compulsory. You should have the mother or father permission. Without parent permission, don't use the cell phone unnecessarily. Okay, and now the situation demands to use the cell phone or system. That's why now we are using, you are using. Okay, but it should be in the limits. I'll say one thing. You see one proverb in Telugu, ఏదైనా అనర్థదాయకం. ఓకే, ఫోన్ మనకు అవసరం ఉన్నంత వరకు వాడుకోండి, అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ వాడితే మంచిది కాదు. ఓకే, టూ మచ్ ఆఫ్ వన్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ గుడ్ ఫర్ నథింగ్. అతి అనర్థదాయకం, రైట్? Too much of one thing is good for nothing, right? I hope you will make the best. You will not get in school because you have best teacher, you have a good teachers. You will not bring any bad name to your family because you have a perfect and the best family members and your parents. right? Your parents are good and you also very good because you are learning in a good school. And okay, boys and girls, this is enough for this day, and we'll meet in the next class with more information.